Hey y'all, welcome back. It's Simply Brianna B, and today I'm showing you guys my updated shower routine. And as you can see, I am wrapping my hair like always. Today I'm using this silk bonnet that I got from Amazon. If you would like this, then the link will be below. As you can see, I'm having a mini shower concert, like normal people do. But I'm going to take my exfoliating towel that I always use. They say that you should replace this every 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going to be using my absolute favorite, which is Dr. Teal's, the Eucalyptus body wash. I always stock up on these. First of all, they're very affordable at like $5, and these will last me like months and months. So I always use 3 pumps, and like I said, even with using the 3 pumps, this bottle has lasted me at least 2.5 months. And it's still not to the bottom. I love this body wash also because it does moisturize your skin. It doesn't dry you out. And then the eucalyptus and spearmint makes me feel like refreshed, and it makes me feel like it's helping my sinuses. Do y'all remember that argument on Twitter as to whether people wash their legs or not? I don't understand why you wouldn't wash your legs, because it takes like 30 seconds, But anywho, yeah, I wash my legs, as y'all can see. One of the main benefits of this exfoliating towel is that it's long, so I don't have to stretch my arms and strain to be able to wash my back, my full back. And then we're gonna rinse that off and move on to the next step. Next, I'm going to be using my turmeric soap, bar soap from Kannie's Kosmetics. I think I got it on sale for like $5. And it was much bigger than this before, but I've been using it like every day. So I use this on my face, my underarms, and my bikini area. It has turmeric and cinnamon, and it is supposed to brighten the skin, and it's been working for me so far. It's not like a drastic difference that I can see, but I think it's been working pretty good. You want to be careful with anything with turmeric because it can stain. And then I make sure that I work the product in and at least let it sit for a minute so it can take effect. Next, I'm going to shave using this organics conditioner that I have. The benefit of using conditioner is that it will soften your skin and your hair in preparation for shaving. And then I use men's razors because they're typically cheaper and they usually work better than female or women's razors. I only shave my underarms and my stomach and my legs. When I shave my underarms, I make sure that I put my arm against the shower rod to make sure that I'm stretching out my skin as much as possible so I can get a better shave. And then I go in an upwards motion. Upwards motion? After shaving, I'm using my Jasmine Femme Wash. I got this from Sexual Essentials. Link will be below. And it's to balance my pH. I think every woman should have some type of feminine wash because you can always get thrown off by several factors. So yeah, I'm making sure I shake it up before I use it. It has ingredients like aloe water, chamomile, and apple cider vinegar, and those things are all very healthy for your private region, your yoni, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm making sure I get my ears. And that's pretty much it for the shower part. Gotta finish my shower concert real quick, you know. When I'm drying, I'll make sure that I pat my face dry and my underarms because those are sensitive areas. And you don't want to dry too aggressively. You don't want your skin to be dry. Okay, on to after. We're using Witch Hazel as a natural toner. I use this on my face, my underarms, my bikini area to make sure that my skin is nice and toned and balanced. I'm using a paper towel today, but I usually use those little cotton round things. I just ran out.
Okay, that's a really long time.
For my bikini area, sometimes I will use this PFB Vanish. It's to prevent ingrown hairs, and then it's supposed to brighten your skin, but I cannot use it too much because it's a really powerful thing. It's really strong. So I'm letting the Witch Hazel dry under my arms and on my face so I can move on to using my almond oil. And this is a natural moisturizer and it's very lightweight, so it's good for using it on your face, on your bikini area, where you don't want your pores to be clogged. I also use these body butters as moisturizers for everywhere else, and they're really good and they smell really good and I love them. The last thing I do is apply my Kopari deodorant. I am no longer using aluminum deodorants, okay? I switched up my lifestyle. And yeah, this is way better for you. And it smells like coconut. It's really good. And that is all for my 2020 fall/winter shower routine. Let me know what products you use, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.